Good evening, everybody. Hey, it's Maida. Good evening.
Is the murder of Sam Dreer an open case or a closed case? No, it's a closed case, but not for
Clay mask.
who continues to mourn the loss of her brother.
This is what I love to do. Makeup, not so into, but like anything for the tub, make the skin feel good in your face. I'm buying it. I love them. I'll show you all the different ones I got. Okay, good evening, everybody. Love, love, and more love. There's always time for love. Remember that. Okay. Mrs. Gordon. Got to give my husband a shout out. Oh, and once again, the drive. It's like minus here in Pittsburgh. It's freezing. Whoever's watching, I pray it is nice and warm where you are. Okay? It's freezing here.
As a matter of fact.
Top off here. I love to do these. I thought I'd share these with everybody because I like facials and stuff. Mask you put on. I like all of that. Even yeah, even the ones you peel off, the ones you lay on and look all crazy. But I'm gonna show you the few I got in a minute, and this will drive you makeup people crazy. This is what I use to apply.
Did you ever feel like I'm being punished for having this affair? Oh, yes.
My daughter's probably the flip out. Like, why are you using that? That's not the brush you use.
It all started in a club.
Looks like it to me. Okay.
Conversation. Was it all worth it?
Like, yeah, well, one thing I do like to do is brush up.
I would never change.
Think around my mouth. It's getting a little,
was he the one?
Like my sides are going down. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
Without a doubt.
I don't know, this was fixing all the time when I'm not smiling. But anyway, let me see. What am I looking for?
That's all for this edition of Daytime.
My glasses.
I'm Natalie Morales.
So, gotta read this one too, you know. I get these at my job. Eastern Food Co-op. I don't have no prices at the moment, but I tell you at least this much. They're at least between 6 and 15 each. That's for sure. Okay, this one is by Adama. I hope I'm Zion Health. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Clay mask, original deep pore cleanser. Tighten and rejuvenate, purify clogged pores, enhance radiant skin. Okay. Enhance my already radiant skin. 100% vegan, paraben-free, no sulfates, gluten-free. You need to ingredient yourself. Blah, 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 blah. It's a lot. So, I like this one. That's what I'm doing tonight. I just got this one. This one's cool. It's called Brightening Face Mask. I guess I like to be bright. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. This one's by Pure. I love their products, Pure. They make an array of different things, but you can get them at my, where I work at Eastern Food Club on Lee Street in your family. People know that we try our cases. People know that we have. Okay, this is argan extract and chlorella. Very expensive. And trial that could lead into a very high verdict. All skin types, 100% vegan, 0% questionable. Okay, that's exactly what that says. 0% questionable. Okay. I like that one. This one here, love this one too. This one's by Alba Botanical Hawaiian Facial Mask, pure affecting papaya enzyme. Okay, and this one. Let me see. Okay, this one, as you can see, I'm painting this one on my face. This one, I do the same thing. Let me show you what that looks like. Yeah, this one turns colors. Okay, look at my hand. I need to be stopped. No, don't show that. Okay, here we go. And apparently, this is leaking all over, boy. This is dripped all on my foot. Okay. This one turns like green once it dries. That's cool. I have to do that live as well. Yeah, so I had a good day at work. That was pretty good. It was freezing. But like I always say, I love my job. I love the I love the people I work with. You know, We all get along very well, Boots. See, co-op always got the co-op bags. I mean, a new snack today for the co-op. Okay. Desactivated sprouted trail mix. Yeah, okay, let me finish putting this on because while I'm running my mouth, this could be drying. But, okay, so. Yeah, this here. You paint that on and that changes colors a little bit. Okay, and then this mask, I use the same thing, use my brush, it's liquid, squeeze that out, put that on my face. Most of them are 5 minutes. This one's 5 minutes, smooth evenly over face. Clean face and neck first, leave on 5 minutes, will not dry on skin, rinse thoroughly. So I guess this one stays a little bit wet. And it just works in your face. So I would work that one in a little bit with my brush probably. This one's really fun, cute to do. This is another one by Cure. I know I ain't saying that right. Foil Time Firming Gold Foil Mask. Vitamin C and turmeric for the face. Now that's nice. And then this one, last but not least, this one is called Sunken. See what that looks like. Detoxifying clay mask. Super Greens is in this one. So let me show you the top on there. Yeah, this one is nice. This one I paint on just like this one. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to take my glasses off because I don't have to read. Paint this on, but show you how simple it is. Oh, and while you're playing, oh, this is tight. I like that. Because then I know it's pulling something out. And I don't know. I don't take mine down no further than that. Further than that, open the throat. Just do it like that. Watching a little Dateline or whatever this goes on now. 22 the point. Yeah. Put music in the background. I have little breaks too. All that good stuff. Yeah. Okay. My husband is younger than me, so I got to keep it tight. Okay? No trouble. Okay? I love to do this for myself. Those out there acting like, hey, she did it for us. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Keep it up. That's what you should do. You should do the same if you like that kind of stuff. Require me to be on. Looking in this camera and using a mirror is different. I'm looking all lopsided. Make sure I'm putting this on right down the middle. This feels so good. It's nice and cool. And then this is tight over here, okay? So this is doing something. Pulling out something. I like to do all kinds of things. Like some people like to do different makeup. I like to do my face all different. No, you can't give them beepers. They're like drug dealers. Corners. Look at all that nose. Good Lord. You gave it to me for a reason, and I use it all the time. I have a big old nose for a reason. That's for sure. I didn't like it when I was young, though, because people would call me, what they call me, I don't say bulldog. I think that's what people used to call me with my big nose. I think that's what, yeah. When I was like, probably like 8 to 12, I was on a bulldog and points. No breasts, but they had nipples for days. Points, really? Bulldog with points. Okay. Yeah. But as I got older and was looking at black art and how different African tribes look, them big features, them was the folks with the loot. Big nose, big lips. Put over on my imaginary mustache. Yeah, just do it like that. There you go. I guess that's a generous amount, as they always usually say on the side of these things. I just try to do it evenly. Nothing special. Get as close as I can, you know. I'll get in the eyes and do around the eyebrows a little bit, you know. So like that. They get dirty. I don't know. And that's how I put mine on. And this one definitely sits 10 or 15 minutes because it needs to dry. Doesn't turn any fun colors like this one does. This one turns green. It says let it dry until your face is all nice and green. But, yeah, let me see. This right here, this is like 5. I probably got more. I was trying to find it. This is let me show you now. Like I said, okay. That ain't how you say it, but this is nice too. Oh my gosh. The oils? What? Love it. You're going to spend $50 buying a couple of their products, but they're really good. These, absolutely love them. Take them on a plane with me all the time. I usually take like 3 and then like use them in between the flights. But I love this. You can just do that like right on the plane. And you ain't got to move out your seat. You know what I mean? While you're sitting waiting on your plane. You know? On that layover. Yeah, those I have too. And they smell. Let me see. Well, argan oil, which isn't really, but they have a good smell. They have a wonderful smell. All this from the Eastern Food Co-op. I try to try everything when I'm there. I really do. Because people come in and ask, you know. And other than that, I ask myself as well. Ask for myself. Because I want to know what's going on. But I love all of these. But I wanted to share that with everybody. You know, I don't do makeup. Like, I did makeup for 5 minutes in high school. And then after high school, I started having babies. So who got time to beat their face with 3, 4 babies in it? Okay, that was me. So, wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, because right now I can completely concentrate on me. You know what I'm saying? That's what I can do. Yeah. But I won't be wearing no makeup. I don't need no makeup. I ain't been wearing makeup. But to make the skin look real nice and everything, I love that. I love a lot of lotions. You can't tell I love lotion. Not today. But that's okay. That's lotion. All right, I love everybody. Just want to share this with y'all. Just put that on and wash that off in a little bit. I don't know, probably won't be back, but that's okay. And everything kind of just makes your skin feel like, you know, like you had like you gave your face a bath. That's how I like it to feel. Like I gave my face a bath. Like I just, like, take the towel. That's how I like to feel. Like my face took a bath. Yes. And soaked in the nicest, you know, ingredients. All right, good night, everybody. Talk to y'all later. Try to get my husband. He goes to sleep early. What, true Jamaican that works hard? Like Fallout? Like I work and go to bed. Barely eat. Definitely have a split. What I'm just saying. I'm talking about you. But yeah, and goes to sleep. Got to love him. Love you, husband. See you soon. Boozoo! Oh my God. Okay, I'm trying to get the information together for everybody to go to Boozoo. The tickets that are left for $36.